Hey, this is the Kyosho DMT VE ready to run monster truck. Running it here on a 3-cell 35C Venom battery. I'm going to show you for your first out on the dry pavement, and then I'll show you what it looks like out on wet pavement. Alright, so now that you've seen it run, let me take a look inside here and see what it looks like for you. Body. It is basically the same design as my Kyosho Demon, almost identical. I really like this one. It's been sitting on the shelf at the store for a while and just kind of impulsively bought it. The one problem I have had now with this is the fourth Kyosho that I've owned is the radio range. Even says in the book about 50 yards, and I don't even trust that, so I've now put them onto a Spectrum controller, so that's not a problem anymore.